Keeping up with your car's health and maintenance is important, but it can be expensive and complicated, especially when your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. That is until now, with the TopScan OBDII scan tool. Created by automotive experts and DIY gearheads alike, the scan tool allows you to experience the joy of maintenance all through your phone. Just connect it through Bluetooth and voila! The professional instructions make it as easy as finding hay in a haystack. Done! The scan tool works with almost every car model. It can easily give you insight into your car with the performance test, and quickly find accurate repair information specific to your vehicle and trouble code without even having to take it into the shop.
If you're already in a shop, the scan tool helps your technicians solve problems quickly through the full system diagnostics. For more precise diagnostic results, utilize the TopScan's bidirectional control and operate the vehicle systems through your device, not your car's user interface. And easily gain insight into your car with the AutoVIN feature. All with the TopScan OBDII scan tool, the revolutionary automotive product that meets the professional needs of both DIYers and technicians alike. Easily transform your phone into a smart and powerful diagnostic tool today.